Alright, hi everyone. So the other day I got this Vyking Force retractable hose reel. I haven't seen this brand in New Zealand before. This one is 20 meters long, has a 12mm connector, and I got it for $99. Although I think the normal price is about $145. The guy at the show was also saying there's a 30-meter version, and that was about over $200, I think. It also comes with a nozzle and a spray gun. Okay, right, let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, so we got some instructions and the spray gun and connectors. Bracket. And the hose reel. So what's in here? A few screws for mounting here. Okay, and bracket. This goes like this. How do you attach this to this? Am I missing something? Oh, here we go. So I have this thing that I guess goes in like this. Okay. Alright, let's go install it. That's why I don't like these things. Okay, so this broke when I was trying to hammer it in, but I'm thinking about it. It might be a bit too short anyway, because this is supposed to be like this. But this only goes like that. So does this need to be longer? Okay, yeah, so I got these screws instead so that I don't have to deal with those plugs. Okay. Okay. Alright, that should be it. Ooh, I didn't even turn it on. Well, I guess it works. So I pulled up the whole hose to see how long it is. From here to the end is 5 meters long, and the hose went back and forth about 3.5 times. Adding on this bit that's dangling, I suppose it does add up to 20 meters. Okay, so the hose reel seems to be working quite well. It's long enough, definitely. Apart from the issues I had with the mounting hardware, seems to be going well so far. Yeah, I'll let you guys know if it works out. See you next time.